Why pre, why chop, wagwan, it's your boy Singh Zima back with another banger video, and we're here with...
You see style?
Yeah, we're outside, you don't know it goes. So today we're going to be learning to dance from the dancing God himself, you see me? So we're outside and we're not going.
That's style, true.
Ready?
Yeah.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're here, mommy.
Warm up.
Where's that Johnny? Forward, bro. Right. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Ding, what starting with? You must tell me now. Alright, so guys. Are you in the shot? Mommy, you're all the way in the front. Come back now.
Like so?
Yeah.
Oh, remember for social distance. I don't want them
But
to
we have enough distance. Alright, so the first thing we're going to learn or do is snapping, you see me? So you're going to show us the moves.
Snap.
Snapping, yeah.
Okay.
Snapping the dancer created by Wiz Rivers.
Wiz Rivers.
Yeah, so, but it's more of a like a seesaw type of thing.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's like a seesaw. This is like
where the on a ship like so? Or a song?
Yeah, but it's like, and you put this tonight now.
Hold on. Make it just swing.
Just one hand.
Yeah. You can go if you want. If you can do two, you can do two.
And tell me I'm doing
Yeah.
it good.
Yeah. Sit down now. All right. See there. Yeah. Yeah, but she catch better now. Yeah. Sit down now. Walk now. Take time walk anyway. Yeah. Yeah.
You have to show up for the walk.
Yeah. But she move better now. Yeah. Whoa. Higher now. All right. Yeah. Boy.
I like it.
Boy. You catch a chick. Watch out now. Boy.
We can like it.
Oh, so listen, have it now then. Watch out now.
This is the dance everybody want catch. Yeah man, at the bumps everybody want catch. If you stand up in a corner, you will go get left. We so dance, everybody want catch. Every dance floor we go up and a we lucky. Finger snapping with enemies, them a fi watch it. Did me a kick a California and a kick foreigners. I said sweet life you beefy patty. Me now love watch big belly latty. Girl step on me twins like a elephant mash.
Hold up, Bob. Learn body.
Oh, the second part. Yeah. Somebody see the camera, guys.
You have to take time with me.
Huh? No.
Where your finger go?
Follow this again. Yeah. Alright. Boy. You start once more.
Yeah.
Boy. And they start watching up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. One more time.
Boy.
Bad. Alright guys, so that was snapping. We're just getting started. Rivers Rock is the next easy one.
Easy.
Rivers Rock.
Rivers is a very easy one.
Ready for the instructions.
So is that it easy?
It's easy.
Easiest dance. We have to do it to the rhythm, yeah?
Oh yeah, to the rhythm.
Boy. It's like a swag thing. Hey. Boy. And you come. Boy.
Hold on.
Boy.
When the foot, all the
Yeah,
foot
but
coming
it's like a
in.
kick. It's a kick out like. Yeah, alright, yeah? You have to catch it with the hand too. Boy.
Well, I'm pulling it ready now.
Boy.
You
Yeah.
You catch it?
Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No stop,
Ready.
no
No.
Yeah. So walk around the top. Yeah.
Fear this. This a Dante dance. It's a next hit. No one very easy for the public. Lean with the body, rock then you dip. I didn't damn Craig voice me and sing this. History I make, everybody witness. How with the rhythm I make, me dance fitness. Rivers, heal any sickness. Go! Everybody,
I'm so proud. Rate her 1 to 10. What do you
Rate
say?
me.
10.
She better than
Me
two
a
on
pump.
put together. Better than two on.
Remember say we did them thing under vibes, you know.
She don't make it. She don't make it out there.
Cleary.
Stress out.
So it's, I was stressing out now. Isn't it?
Right. Hey.
Alright. You do what I want.
Guys, I am not the best dancer, so don't attack me. You see me? I am not the best
Yeah, you know where I
dancer.
go on now. Boy. Yeah. You know where I go on. Boy. 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 Now forget to count, you know. Yeah. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Start. Alright.
Where is? Hey. Hey. Turn down.
Boy. Boy. Boy.
Jano,
Yeah.
the lessons now work out for me right now. Hold on. One more time. I want to catch it right. How the foot part go?
You need a
Is that
special
right?
spoon.
Listen up.
Sketches first.
You remember?
Yeah. See it? Catch this. Yeah.
Know that. Flare it. You know see the ravers crew flare it. Me diamonds a canary. Every dog when me roll with scary. Fambo flare it. No see me clothes and me car wash daily. How about you think man lady? Me no busy signal local Gary. With a Glock in a me hand. Me brother dead with a map in a hand. We have the blueprint to go execute the plan. Me want for richer than a dozen.
We're doing so much in the club.
Yeah.
The club. It's the club, you know. It's Mecca.
Yeah, blow.
Learn need a punch some of them.
Yeah, the punch.
Yeah. So much get here, yeah.
Style.
Yeah. Boy.
How many look like her?
Yeah. So you have to still watch it?
Fambo, flare it. No see me clothes and me car wash daily. How about you think man lady? Me no busy signal local Gary. Any clothes you see me in and that for me.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
That one is one of the more
Difficult one.
one of the more challenging.
Why is that like exercise?
And there's one more too.
Ready now? Freestyle. You're
Like
starting
basics.
Go
Freestyle.
on. Basics. Ready?
Basics.
Ready now? Show them.
Him shy.
To the camera here.
Him
No,
shy.
we showing like the basics, I think.
Show them what you
Them
can
want
do
a
now.
freestyle.
They want a freestyle.
Freestyle.
Yeah.
Listen how me why you follow me. The new way for run them when them bad away. Fan them like a flag, them a pest away. I beg you do the dance when you see your enemy. Then you back and take a step, make up your face. Me why you run them when I give a cut out because them dead away. Them sell me you them and a friend away. When you a tattoo, no fi member fi me legacy. You know fi heal me come in a big friend. Them a hypocrite, you know the one of them. We full of style and that a mad them. These a dance we a use run them. We never stretch out, we and we never beg them. Them a wicked, we don't know who send them. Everything when them a do a we lend them. And we not follow people, we on the section. So look at that. Come here, no come catch a one, yeah. Make your shoulder move like a jackhammer. The chopper them a say this a the banger. When no one a drop them out, I get a dagger. So you feel know, man a than a this, man a than a ya. Do that one, I know you can't say it. How we are run the place, we are the record. Come dream me now if you say your boss. So you not feel me coming a big friend. Them a hypocrite, we know the one of them.
Alright, so we never give them the instructions for guys, so we run it back and give them the liquor. You know? Although that one kind of easy as well, but them still
Yeah.
for the right way.
Yeah.
Turn it down a little bit. Right.
All right. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. See that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, but you have to make up on the plate. You have to make up your face and
you have to
things.
make up
Right.
Oh.
Make up
Upset.
your face. Yeah.
Let me make up your
Screw.
face.
Yeah. Have to make up your face. 3. 3. Stand out.
Watch it now.
Yeah, I got 8. No?
Oh.
Yeah. Shoulder no. Go back there again. Shoulder back again.
Hold on, just have to turn up. Ready? Alright, one more time. That one did.
It's a bubble. It's a bubble. It's a bubble. This I know me why you follow me. The new way for run them when them bad away. Fan them like a flag, them a pest away. I beg you do the dance when you see your enemy. Then you back and take a step, make up your face. Me why you run them when I give a cut all because them dead to it. Aye, them tell me you're the man a friend to it. When you a tattoo, no remember for me legacy. You know for you and me come in a big friend. Them a hypocrite, you know the one of them. We full of style and that I'm at them. These a dance we a use run them. We never stretch out, we and we never beg them. Them a wicked, we don't know who send them. Everything where them a do, we lend them. And we not follow people, we on the section. So look at that. Come here, no come catch a one, yeah. Make your shoulder move like a jackhammer. The chopper them a say this a the banger. When no one a drop them out, I get a dagger. So you feel no, man a than a this, man a than a ya. Do that one, I know you can't say it. And we are on the place, we are the record. Come dream me now if you say you're back. So you not feel me coming a big friend.
Guys, this is a workout right now, Jano. Yeah. Give it a minute.
That's basic thing.
What?
Guys, so we're taking a little 5-minute break or something because this is a workout right now.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Oh, I don't know, basic something. I don't know.
Basic?
Yeah, that kind of
So if I teach you the...
Yeah, that kind of nothing. The water to be showing now the basic thing them there. I don't know like the real vibe. Or if in a nice session or and the nice
vibes.
Alright. Yeah, so that's the basics for you go study out for the basic thing them, just the minor things and from when you catch them little basics something there.
You can go in and
When we
dance
ready. Yeah.
Alright, so question, what made you start getting into dancing, like at first, yeah?
Born dancer man.
Born?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Been
how
in
the
music long time.
Alright, so how the song them drop in?
Song them cause we have to
Alright,
sing.
which one
to
was first? The songs
dancing.
that alright, dancing, so
We have to sing the song them for the dance. Because I mean it been the other way there, but they hardly have a dancer really sing the song them.
that's true,
Them, so.
especially nowadays, yeah.
So you just start to have to sing one song more time and try. Is it? Yeah.
So how long now you doing this?
Me?
Yeah.
Probably about a year and a half now.
The real, but you sing from...
I'll be a sing from about probably a year and a half now too. Is it?
Okay.
Yeah, what do you mean do it?
At what point in your career you really say, yo, you make it, like you're boss?
I don't make it yet. I don't boss it.
Alright, so...
Boss? No, sir.
You say just a start.
No, make it. Make what we make. We don't make nothing yet. We even reach quarter, which part we want to reach right now. No boss it. A new artist, man.
New? What you say, a year now?
Yeah, a new artist, member say. Things start over back. A brand new artist. Everybody up on level terms right now. Business open up. Corona kind of. Is it me?
Loosen
So,
up a little bit with
yeah, kind of name Nila now if is in. So, me a new artist, brand new artist, go by the name of Worlding.
Worlding.
Check me out, check out the Vivo channel, you see me?
Alright, yo, so big up for helping me with this video and big up
Yeah,
for
man.
showing us how to dance. You see me, guys,
Yeah.
head over to
Yeah.
Worlding right now
Yeah.
on YouTube at Ding Dong.
Is
Vibes.
that's
Gotcha. Right,
that's a
right,
brand new
right.
artist. Is me a deal Ding Dong Ravers, brand new artist out of Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Check him out. His Instagram is at Ding Dong Ravers for Instagram.
Mad,
Is me a deal done. Check out him Vivo to Ding Dong Vivo. Brand new artist. Bad. Yeah.
Mad.
Check
Yeah,
it out.
guys.
It's your boy Sing Zima out here with another banger video.
Right.
Check out the video.
Outside.
Dancing, turn right up.
Catch us back in the club when we're
Yeah, when the club open back in, so already know, that. You see me?
The most, yeah,
Mash up
and
the
just
place.
practice them the basics something there.
Yeah.
I want to ready now for a real vibe and a real party.
Now we're gonna throw a virtual party. Look out for it.
Right,
Yeah.
yeah, virtual.
Yeah,
We can do that. Virtual.
We call it Strictly Ding. Look out for it.
Ding, you ready for that? Strictly Ding, what you say?
Strictly Ding.
If I reach, I said, I lie. Ding Dong can do that music.
Right now, what you mean? Everybody look out for you, you know?
Virtually. You have to sing a ladies song. What the girls them can dance and broke out.
Yeah.
You not cater to ladies.
Yeah.
You have a
I want broke out now.
You want a ladies song.
Yeah.
You have the breakout song?
Huh?
You have one?
Me, no?
Let me tell you. You have a market out. Listen to me.
Yeah.
play soca song.
This is this one right here. So you have a market of women
Yes.
who are in what I call a gap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We lose our artists. You know, me now call a name. We lose our artists, and so we are left out. There's nobody catering to that audience of women who have been left out because our artists gone. The real people them, the real G people them, big up on themselves.
Right.
Yeah.
So
Alright, yeah, guys. So we're gonna play him soca song, and maybe you can vibe to it. We'll see how it go. So this is your segment now, you know, mommy.
Which soca song? I don't know it.
Everybody gonna
Yeah, soca song. Run it. I'm wrong.
Henry.
I'm here minding my business, smoking and drinking. And this police officer comes to me, he wants to lock me up, he said don't run. You must be crazy, that will ruin the fun. Cause it's soca time and we have no behavior. Come to mash the place up, we have to run. Run up and down, 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 from a liquor baby, never like to sit on one place. When the music turn on and soca turn on, it's time to mash up the place. Some people just sit and boring, only stand up in front of you. But even though you don't give no clothes, I borrow nobody, so I tell you to run. Run up and down, 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 run up and down. I ain't no thief, I ain't no robber. I'm here to wine and girls, I'm just a party sheller. Hands in the air, wave your flag like an umbrella. I run up in a this like say, are you near Mr. Killer? Hey boy, what's that on your waist? 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 Run up and down, run up and down, run up and down.
Alright, guys, that's it for this banger video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Big up Worlding himself, big up Ajani, big up mommy. Right, big up. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Worlding, you're the guest myself. I'll cover the camera. Just cover it up, right?
In a curfew, on Netflix. If me ever lonely, me call me side chick. She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks. 9X matic, extended clip. Pull up in a D, brand new Beamer. Dog them the ramp, to squeeze up the trigger. You don't know, we are roll with the team. Girl them a say, whoever dress need. From Ferragamo to the Gucci. She love you, but she wanna roll with a G.